Hey everybody, I just got back last night from World of Concrete 2023. Gotta say it was one of the best shows I've ever been to. You know, those kinds of trade shows got set back a long time during the pandemic. I mean, it was very hard for them to put those shows on, for, tens of thousands or even 100,000 people, safely or whatever you want to say. So they're back. I mean, there were so many good vendors there. One thing I can say about it is, there's so many different ICF manufacturers. You guys are always hitting me up with questions. It's so nice to be able to see all the big players in ICF, like in a single building or in a couple buildings, where you can really compare and contrast every little nuance and difference, because there's a lot of things we're trying to do. We're a pretty small operation, and some of these guys, we're working toward making stuff so streamlined and easy that anybody can do this. With the vinyl liners, we're already there, but the monopores they're several levels up in complexity, and we are trying to simplify that. And I got to be honest, I came back so energized because I think I see a very clear path to getting even that to be a DIY-able process, and for the builders out there, much more efficient. So less time, more profit, more simplicity, so less points of potential problems. And all that is just where I thought maybe it was a year away, trying to bang it out with these different companies and all the details. I think I'm going to have a demonstrative or a pool that I can use all of our proprietary parts on as early as March or April. We can pour it with our stuff, and I can show you how much easier it's going to be going forward with these new systems. So pretty fired up about that. And then even for the vinyl liners, some really tight radius corners and stuff that we're going to be able to supply you guys with. So that's where I came away with, is there's so many cool things on the horizon in the concrete game, especially ICF, just entire suites of products that work, hand in hand with each other. It's just becoming more and more user-friendly, and also just the performance is off the charts. It's the way to build, guys. But anyway, so we had some pretty cool news while we were there. Some of you guys probably already saw it on Facebook. Some people have been posting about it, but I knew we had been nominated for they call it the Condor Pool. It was the wet edge that we did, the one with the crawl space. I'll link right here. I'll link in the description the link to that video on that pool. But we did win the first prize for specialty use. They don't have like a pool category, so we were up against some really cool projects, a koi farm and and a really cool grotto that were the top 3 in the country, and we did win that, so it's pretty cool. And then thanks to you guys out there voting, we also got the People's Choice Award. We won first prize for the People's Choice, meaning you guys really like that project. I mean, it is a very aesthetically cool project, so I think it probably did most of the work for us on that. But really, I want to, obviously thank ICF Magazine and you guys for voting, because that recognition, it feels good that we're on the right track, that we're doing something that is making a difference in the pool game and just in ICF and everything. So that was really cool recognition. It's kind of weird for me. I'm not used to, tooting our own horn or anything like that, but very, very neat thing. I'm going to show you a little video real quick, just of kind of just some highlights. I honestly was so busy talking to people and doing stuff that I didn't shoot as much video as I would have wanted to of the show. I had planned on, going around and highlighting my favorite booths and stuff. Didn't really do that, but I will tell you guys, I saw some of the coolest stuff, and I've already been running around town all day today looking for parts and pieces to put my method together until it's kind of proven where I can go out and buy bulk parts for you guys and make it really, really modular and simple and awesome. So, like I said, guys, I will be back down in Dolphin Island. I was only in town for 2 days from Dolphin to here, and I'm going to be home for 4 days, and I got to go back down to get ready for training. Second week of February, we're doing an eco finish on one pool and pouring the other one on those elevated pools. So, kind of a crazy winter, schedule-wise. We've got such cool projects coming up in the spring too to show you, that I'm just really fired up for this year right now. So can't wait.